Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your critical thinking sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, congratulations on making it to Champions League preparation. Congratulations for completing round 1, and in this video we'll be solving sample paper 1 of critical thinking class 3. So let's begin with full energy. Here comes question number 1. So question number 1 is study the following diagram and find the missing term. So let's look at the pattern. So in this pattern what we have to do is we have to mark a line here, and this 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6. So what into 3 is 15? So the correct answer is option B, 5. 5 3s are 15. So it matches the pattern. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Why does the moon seem to change its shape every night? A. It is hiding behind clouds. B. Its shadow changes as it moves. C. It is growing and shrinking. D. It is being eaten by space monsters. The correct answer is option B. The moon phases happens because sunlight hits it differently as it orbits Earth. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 3. What is the opposite of being selfish? A. Taking more than needed. B. Sharing and helping others. C. Ignoring everyone else. And D. Keeping everything for yourself. The correct answer is option B. Sharing and helping others. Next question. Question number 4. You are in a dark room with a matchstick, a lamp, a candle, and a fireplace. What should you light first? A. The lamp. B. The candle. C. The fireplace, and D. The matchstick. The correct answer is option B. The candle. No. Let's go again. Question number 4. You are in a dark room with a matchstick, a lamp, a candle, and a fireplace. What should you light first? A. The lamp. B. The candle. C. The fireplace, and D. The matchstick. The correct answer is option D. The matchstick. You must light the match first before lighting anything else. Our next question, question number 5. If you see a turtle hiding in its shell, what might it be feeling? A. Happy. B. Hungry. C. Scared. And D. Sleepy. The correct answer is option C. Scared. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 6. You are running a race. If you pass the person in second place, what place are you in now? So, if you are here and you pass the second person, so you are still behind the first, so you are at second place. So, correct answer is option B, second. Question number 3. You see a tree that has 10 birds on it. A hunter shoots one bird. How many birds are left on the tree? The correct answer is option A, 0. Why? Because if a hunter shoots a gun, because of the sound, all the birds will fly away. So the correct answer is option A, 0. Next question is question number 8. If it takes 20 minutes to boil one egg, how long will it take to boil 3 eggs together? The correct answer is 20 minutes, because if you take 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 egg all at the same time and on the different plate take 1 egg, both will take 20 minutes. So correct answer is A, 20 minutes. Next question is question number 9. If a plane crashes on the border of two countries, where should the survivors be buried? A. In the country where the plane took off. B. In the country where it crashed. C. In their home country. And D. Nowhere. The correct answer is option D, because survivors are not buried. Next question, question number 10. You are in a race. If you overtake the last person, what position are you in now? A. Second last. B. Last. C. First. D. Not possible. The correct answer is option A. You are in second last place. Suppose there are 5 people running. You were in the last position and you overtake the last person who was in the race. So now you are in the second last place. Our next question, question number 11. A father and son are in a car accident. The father dies, but the son is rushed to the hospital. The doctor says, I can't operate on this boy, he's my son. How is this possible? A. The doctor is mistaken. B. The doctor is his mother. C. The doctor is a ghost. D. The son has two fathers. The correct answer is option B. The doctor is his mother. Our next question, question number 12. A man looks at a picture of someone. His friends ask, who is that? A man replies, brothers and sisters, I have none. But that man's father is my father's son. Who is in the picture? So let's decode it. That man's father is my father's son. So the man is pointing at himself. Question 12. A man looks at a picture of someone. His friend asks, who is that? The man replies, brothers and sisters, I have none. But that man's father is my father's son. Who is the picture? A. The man himself. B. The man's father. C. The man's cousin. Or D. The man's son. The correct answer is option D. The man's son. Our next question, question number 13. If a train is moving north at 80 km per hour and the wind is blowing south at 30 km per hour, which direction the train smoke going? A. North. B. South. C. East. D. There is no smoke. The correct answer is option D. There is no smoke because the train is electrical. Our next question is question number 14. If you drop a red stone into a blue sea, what will it become? A. Rock. B. Green. C. Wet. D. It will float. The correct answer is option C. Any stone becomes wet in water. Question number 15. If a rooster lays an egg on the top of a hill, which way will the egg roll? A. Down the left side. B. Down the right side. C. It depends on the wind. And D. None. The correct answer is option D. None. Roosters don't lay eggs. The correct answer is option D. Question 16. Which of these situations is unfair? A. Sharing candy equally between friends. B. Letting everyone play the game. C. Punishing only one person for something everyone did. D. Taking turns to use a swing. The correct answer is option C. Punishing only one person for something everyone did. Question number 17. A clock strikes 5 times at 5 o'clock. How many times does it strike at 10 o'clock? The correct answer is option A. 10. Every hour, if for suppose it is 1, it will strike 1 time. At 2, it will strike 2 times. At 3, it will strike 3 times and so on. The next question, question number 18. A family has 2 sons and 2 daughters. Each child has one sibling of the same gender. How many people are in the family? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8 and D. 10. The correct answer is option B. 6. 2 parents plus 4 childs, which is equals to 6. Our next question, question 19. If you could choose to remove one thing from the world, which would have the biggest positive effect? A. Books. B. Faith. C. Greed. D. Hope. The correct answer is option C. Greed. Our next question, question number 20. What belongs to you but is used more by others? A. Your name. B. Your toys. C. Your vision. And D. Your vehicle. The correct answer is option A. Your name is used by more others. Question 21. I am tall when I am young and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? A. Person, B. Tree, C. Candle, and D. Building. The correct answer is option C. Candle. I'm tall when I'm young. So when you lit a candle, it is tall, and after some time, when it becomes old, it is short because it melts. So our next question is question 22. A fisherman caught 5 fish and gave 3 away. He then caught 2 more fish. How many fishes did he collect in total? So at first he had 5, then he gave 3 away, so it remains 2. Then he caught 2 more fishes, so it plus 2. Correct answer is option B, 4. 23rd. Which is the odd one out? A. Carrot, B. Potato, C. Onion, D. Tomato. The correct answer is option A. Carrot. Our next question, question 24. If a peacock lays an egg on a farm, what will the farmer do? A. Keep it, D. Sell it, C. Nothing, and D. Hatch it. The correct answer is option C. Nothing. Peacock are males. They don't lay eggs, so nothing to do. Question 25. What has a neck but no head? A. Shirt, B. Bottle, C. Neck, and D. Guitar. The correct answer is option B. A bottle has a neck but no head. The next question is question number 26. Which of these could be true? A. A butterfly that swims, B. A fish that climbs trees, C. A bird that can't fly, and D. A car that eats grass. The correct answer is option C. A bird that can't fly. There are certain birds like penguins, ostriches, emu which cannot fly. So correct option is answer C. Question 27. You hear someone crying in other room. What's the best first thing to do? A. Ignore them because it's not your problem. B. Check to see if they are okay. C. Tell someone else to help them. D. Cry with them. The correct answer is option B. Check to see if they are okay or not. Question number 28. A man has 5 sons. Each has one sister. How many children does he have? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, and D. 7. The correct answer is option C. 5 sons have all single sisters, so it becomes 6. Our next question, question 29. What is something you can hold in your left hand but not in your right hand? A. Your right elbow, B. Your left thumb, C. A pencil, and D. A ball. The correct answer is option A. Your right elbow. You cannot hold your right elbow with your right hand. Our next question, question number 30. If the sun disappeared for a week, what would you most likely happen? A. It would snow everywhere. B. Plants would stop making food. C. People would need sunglasses. And D. Birds would stop chirping. The correct answer is option B. Plants would stop making food. Question 31. If you take 10 away from 20 and divide it by 5, what do you get? So 10 away from 20 is 20 minus 10, which is equals to 10, and then divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So correct answer is option A, 2. Question 32. If all humans suddenly disappeared, what might happen to the earth? A. It would stop spinning. B. Plants and animals would grow. C. The sun would disappear. D. Buildings would last forever. The correct answer is option B. Plants and animals would grow. No. The sun would disappear. Buildings would last forever. It would stop spinning. Again. I'm really sorry. Question 32. If all humans suddenly disappeared, what might happen to the earth? A. It would stop spinning. B. Plants and animals would grow. C. The sun would disappear, and D. Building would last forever. The correct answer is option B. Nature would grow freely without humans. Question 33. Which of these things cannot be true? A. A dog swimming, B. A cat flying, C. A fish jumping, and D. A bird running. The correct answer is C. Correct answer is option B. A cat cannot fly. Our next question is question 34. What should you do if you accidentally hurt someone? A. Run away. B. Say sorry and check if they are okay. C. Blame someone else. D. Pretend nothing happened. The correct answer is option B. Say sorry and check if they are okay. Our next question is question 35. If the mirror is placed on the line XY, then identify the correct mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So 081318. The mirror is here. 0 will be 0. 8 will be opposite. 8 same as 8. 1 will be something like this. 3 will be same. 1 will be again something like this, and 8 will be 8. So our correct answer is option 4. Where is 4? This is the 4. Option B is correct. Question 36. Study the pattern and fill the missing term. It's 100, 48, question mark, 23, 25, 27, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So the correct answer is, if you add 11, 12, 13 and 14, you will get the sum of 23, 25 and 27. And if you add these two, you will get sum of these. And if you will add these two, you will get sum this 100. So 100 minus 48 equals 52. And 52 plus 48 is 100. So correct answer is 52. Option C. Next question. Question number 37. I am a number. I am greater than 9 but less than 15. If you add me to 5, the sum is 17. What am I? A. 12, B. 10, C. 11 and D. 14. The correct answer is option A. 12. If you add 5 to 12, it's 17. Our next question, question 38. You see a lion, a rabbit and a squirrel at a park. Which one of these animals might not actually be there? A. Rabbit, B. Squirrel, C. Lion, D. All of them could be there. The correct answer is option C. Lions are usually not found in park. Question 39. You buy a pair of shoes for $50 and pay with the $100 bill. The cashier gives you $50 change in return. Later you realize the shoes are fake, so you return them and get your $50 back. How much money did you lose? A. $50, B. $100, C. $0 and D. $150. So the shoes was $50. You gave him $100 bill. He gave you back $50. So you are left with $50 now and a shoes. But you found shoes are fake. So you return these shoes and you take your $50 back. And you again have 100. So you lose nothing. So option C is correct. Question number 40. What is full of holes but still holds water? A. A sieve, B. A sponge, C. A strainer, D. A pipe. The correct answer is sponge. Sponge has many holes but it holds water. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we will discuss sample paper 2.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.